to make your pirate map, just take a lunch bag, open it up, cut right down the middle all the way to the end. And just cut right on the bottom. And when you do that, you're going to open up. So basically, you're cutting off the bottom. After the end is cut off, then cut the bag in half. This will give you two pieces. Set one aside. Then, after it's cut, start tearing the edges of the paper to make it look old. Now let's look at one that was previously done, and you can see that there's all different types of ideas on it. So you can do a palm tree, you can do a volcano with a small lake in front of it, you can do a pirate chest, or let's look at this one. There's lots of water, there's a pirate ship, all different things that you can include in your pirate map. Um, and then just don't forget to put any fun ideas in, especially boats. Okay, we need to now create a line that creates the water and land. So on the water side, I'm going to start creating a boat. Using a simple shape as a trapezoid, I'm going to create the bottom of the boat. But I'm not going to go all the way across. I'm going to stop and then put a little notch and then seal that up. The next thing I'm going to add are the mast and the sails. It's just a straight line with two curves that connect. And I'm going to do different size. Now the wind is blowing in one direction, so I'm going to have those sails all going in one direction. And then I'm just going to keep on adding the wooden mast and some flags at the top. And then you don't want to forget the little crow's nest, which is another trapezoid shape just drawn upside down. I'm putting in some of the little portholes to look out and adding some shading to my pirate ship and some extra little details for fun. Don't forget to add splashes of water and waves around your boat. So just different types of textures around to represent the water. And a shark for fun. And some wind clouds and some more waves. So that's my boat, and now I'm going to work on the land. Over here I'm going to create some mountains and some rugged rocks. Jagged mountains and tops of the mountains. Here's some more rocks over here, rocks over there. Then the next thing, since I'm sailing that way, I'm going to put some palm trees in. These are just curved lines with another curved line with zigzags. Very simple curved line. Another, and the branches are just curved lines with zigzags at the bottom. And I'm putting some texture in on the main trunks. Down here, I'm going to put the X marks the spot. And those are just triangles without the points. So there's the X marks the spot for where the treasure is. And I'm going to do the treasure chest right over here. I'm going to start with just some simple shapes. I'm going to start with a rectangle that's tilted, a parallelogram, and then I'm going to create the top part by doing another rectangle, and then from there a small C to make it look three-dimensional. I'm going to put in some designs on the inside so it makes it look more realistic. Then I'm putting a little line, so now it looks like the treasure chest is in 3D. Some curves to show roundness to the top of the treasure chest. And then a square and another rectangle. And then I'm going to start adding some of the little textures to the treasure chest. Some indentations, and don't forget your coins. You need the coins inside the treasure chest. Some coins spilled out, so I'm going to put those on the ground as well, just for fun. And then, because we have the treasure chest, we have to also add some other things to our treasure map, because our pirates are cruising across the island. I'm going to put a volcano with some green foliage around it. And the last thing I'm going to do is, once I have it all done and how I like it, I'll add color. Okay, now I'm going to add color to my map by using crayons. I'm going to start with the lightest color, add some highlights, and then color in all the rest. Once you are done coloring, take a pencil or a marker and outline the edge of your map. To make your map look old, crumple it up and then uncrumple it, smooth it out. And then I'm going to create a resist by painting over the crayons. I'm going to be using brown paint and just applying it all over. I don't have to saturate or make my paper too wet because I don't want to tear the paper. I just want to put down some color so it looks like it's really old.